Line diagram of a reciprocating single acting reciprocating pump. This is the plunger, this is the cylinder. Here piston rod, connecting rod and a crank. When the crank is rotating, here is the crankshaft. That rotating power is the mechanical power. So in order to rotate that crank continuously, we need a prime mover. That induction motor that is used as the prime mover. And when the crank is rotating from 0 to 180, this piston start moving from inner dead center to outer dead center. That process is the suction process. During that time, fluid sucking from inner dead center to outer dead center. And when the crank moving from 180 to 360, this fluid is compressing and then discharging. So during 0 to 180 degree there is only suction, and 180 to 360 there is discharge, sucking. And from 180 to 360 the fluid is compressing and then discharging through the delivery valve. So if it is a single acting, fluid is discharged only intermittently, because 180 0 to 180 there is only suction, 180 to 360 that is discharge. So discharge is intermittent. Then in order to get the fluid or discharge continuously, most of the positive displacement pumps may be double acting or three throw. That is, in our lab there is one, this is the double acting, and the Martin three throw pump is the three throw pump. That is, three times is the discharge, in which that is piston that is connecting at 180 degree, 120, sorry, not 180, 120 degree apart. So that discharge that is continuously, three times is the discharge. Here a pipe that is used to suck water from sump to inlet of the cylinder, that is the suction pipe. And a pipe that is used to carry water from delivery side to discharge tank, that is the delivery pipe. So suction pipe, delivery pipe. Then when it is double acting, fluid is sucking from one side, at the same time fluid that is compressing, fluid in the right side portion is compressing, and then it is discharging. So in double acting, 0 to 180 degree discharge from one side or right side, and 180 to 360 that is discharge, at that time discharge from the right side portion. That is, 0 to 180 fluid discharging from the right side portion, 180 to 360 fluid discharging from the left side. So discharge is continuous in the case of double acting, so that all the displacement pumps are double acting. And there is a pulsation in the positive displacement pump. In order to avoid pulsations, just like rectifier using in electronic circuit, here an air vessel is using. Here air vessel that is used in the suction line and delivery line. Here in this air vessel there is an opening at the bottom portion, and top portion that is fully covered, it contains compressed air. This compressed air and fluid that is separated by a membrane, that is a diaphragm. So initially when the crank is start rotating, acceleration, we know that it is based on simple harmonic motion. Acceleration is equal to omega square r cos omega t. When theta is 0, that is cos theta is 0, acceleration is maximum omega r. So during that maximum acceleration, the quantity of fluid that is taking in the suction pipe, in which a portion of fluid that is enters into the air vessel and it pushes the compressed air. And when it is reaching 180, that is cos 180 minus 1, so that there is a deceleration. At that time, this compressed air pushing that fluid in the air vessel into the cylinder. In the same way, delivery time also, this air vessel provide water, so that a continuous flow of discharge is flowing through that pump. That is the positive displacement pump.